That day you find each other is like no other in life. It brings up butterflies in the belly and you just know you have found your true love. Hello, pretty one. Will you marry me? Yes. I will. And so the altar calls and they answer. The lovebirds all dressed up in black and white, friends coming together in celebration of their love. The minister joins them and crosses them over. And the new family is happily born. Tears of joy and laughter. The home is joyful, sparks of life everywhere as the couple begin to learn each other. It's a waterfall of dreams coming true. Everyone is full of life. But soon enough, the issues of life choke that beautiful dream. Everyone gets busy. The children come back to back. And the spouses forget their first love. What was once bubbling becomes a stiff bowl of eba. But hope is not lost. Fire can always be reignited, and it surely was. Where there's knowledge, there's light. And the light can transform marriages into an even more beautiful and joyous life. And life springs up again. It's like they just found each other anew. The laughter is back, and so is the joy. A new day has come. How much light do you have in your marriage? How much light have you received on your journey in the same marriage? Register for the course, Closing Up Emotional Distance in Marriage, and learn what you need to do to ensure that the emotional intimacy in your marriage grows and blossoms.
My name is Kunle Olunge, marriage counselor and founder of the Marriage Seal Academy. I will be facilitating this course. See you there.